Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Miner. Today we're gonna be doing something different I'm gonna do. It will be my first video to doing so on the clocking on the 37 Ti. I'm gonna guide them all through to the video, how show you guys how to doing it and what is the best clock, what is the clock speed we can be using it. It will be the best for our 3070 Ti. So with further ado, we're gonna go to normally intro. Alright, so we're back. We're gonna start doing the overclocking. I'm gonna show you step by step how we're gonna do it. Also, if you wanna see more of my contents, I'm gonna leave you in the description over here. I'm gonna leave you a link so you can go to a mining, see how different mining coin we can get it. And without further ado, we're just gonna go to that right now, and we're gonna start doing overclock. I'm just gonna turn the camera to the other side so we can go to the main screen computer we wanna be using it for the 3070 Ti. Alright guys, so we're just turning on our screen and we are back and we are on the computer. We're responsible to show you how to do it, everything you guys need to be knowing about what is the 3070 Ti is doing it and what is the base overclock. You're gonna be surprised how much power you can reduce out of this one. I've been seeing it, a lot of people not reducing and not enough power out of them. So I'm gonna show you what I did, how I did it, and how you guys can also go after that. Alright, so with Fidos, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna launch my MSI Afterburner. So that's the first one. Everything we're gonna do is gonna be done on window. Alright, and we got MSI Afterburner. You guys can see right here it's a 3070 Ti. And before, you guys can see I still got some overclock over here, but we're gonna clean out everything and we're gonna go basic everything. So first of all is we're gonna launch our program. You can check out two extra more cards, but we're gonna ignore those cards right now, and we're gonna put this right here. This is gonna be a little longer video, probably more than 10 minutes, but it's gonna work for us and what we want to do. All right, there is one thing first we're gonna have to do in it is just let the program loading on, and we're just gonna wait for a second. I just probably gonna pause the video in this moment. Okay, so we are loading in. As you can see in it, the GPUs, they're all loading up. They're running at 54 and it's gonna go down. I'm gonna let it go down all the way into the low, into the car setting herself into the lowest speed the car was designed to funnel up. Now the situation of this is the way the memory was linking together. That's why we get those slow speed. But we're gonna bump it out and get around second stuff so we can see it. Alright, so we keep going down. So far we are 193 watt, just stuck. We're not even doing anything into the graphic card. Everything is 100%. You guys can see everything on your screen, and also you guys can see that on my MSI Afterburner. I'm just gonna move this right here. I'm not gonna bring the info and all that kind of stuff, so I don't think it's really needed that much. Okay, so we are set at the speed of the GPU. What is telling us 196 watts. Now it's gonna fluctuate between 38 and 38 point something. All right, so first of all, what is first is we gotta go after the power limits before we go after anything else. So power limit, normally I'm gonna go less aggressive this time, and we're gonna drop it into the 70. So power limits is gonna be into the 70. Okay, sorry, did something wrong. 70. Alright, so power limit will be into the 70, and we're gonna apply this. We're gonna leave everything as it's running. We're gonna wait. We're probably gonna see some kind of little drop on the speed. Expecting to see it and expecting it at the same time. You always see something different, something very interesting over here. Okay, we are 102. Wow, we get some wattage. So we are 201 watts. The system not ready. I'm trying to on the clock in it, so it's gonna fight me very badly. But let's see what it can do. 203. And it's keep going up. All right. Next thing is the more important part. We're gonna pumping out or fan because after this, that's what we're gonna need. But we're just gonna pump it out only into 59, not 60, 59, not less. It's gotta be on 59. Okay, you can see the temperature right here is racing out to 68. I already told the fan, that's why you heard the noise. And we're gonna see how many watts we are now. You can see we just gain 1 more watt. Now, next one, we go after the core clock. This bad boy, we take it all the way down to the mass. We click apply. And you can see we start dropping out 197. You can see we're ready at 197. And we're still at 38. We still not even touch the memory yet. We know if we touch the memory, this is gonna probably go all the way to 44. Now, next thing to do is we're gonna pumping out that memory. And we're not gonna take the memory all the way down, all the way with it. We're gonna go, gonna run to 310. And we're gonna click apply right there. We're gonna see speed. We're gonna start getting more hashes. We are on the 40, and we're gonna wait into this get situated. It should be situated about 40, some 42, 43. That's only not interesting right now. All right, so we're on 44, and we're still in 215 watt. That's too much watt, right? Now, this is where the trick coming in. We're gonna get back to the power limit after we drop it to 70. We're gonna take this down all the way, not 34, but we're gonna do some kind of session, and we're gonna leave in this the same speed we got over there, 45. Yep, 45 is the, and we're gonna apply that. We're gonna see speed coming drop down out of the graphic card, but probably it won't drop below 40. I think the less will be 41. And you guys can see it, we already having it in 139 watts at 42 megahertz, and it's keep coming down. We're gonna wait. It's probably gonna sit in between 40 to 41. That's what I'm expecting to stay. You can see it, 139 watts at 42 megahertz. There it is. That's the most efficient part of the graphic card. This is gonna be only right now. We are on Ethereum Classic. So this is Ethereum Classic, to be clear, everybody, and we're keeping it at 42 megahertz at 139 watt. Be tuned for my next video. When the next video we're gonna do Ethereum, regular Ethereum. We're gonna go after that one, and that's gonna be my next one. So, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be happy to have you on the community, and I'll be see you into the next one. Peace out.